Happy weekend, happy weekend. See better blush. Happy weekend, happy weekend. Happy weekend, guys. Today we are going to our local market to get some fruits and some fish from our local rivers. I trust that you guys are doing good. As for me, I thank God for life. Stay tuned as I carry you along. Market, got some tilapia fish for pepper soup. For pepper soup, got some fish for pepper soup. Yeah. What else? It's a wrap that I got. We got groundnuts. Chili pepper yellow. I love yellow for pepper soup. We got pear, African pear. We got palm nuts. Palm nuts. And more pear. arrow. Yeah. So with all this, I have two main dishes that I have to prepare today. I have to cook cock, like it's a mixture of palm nuts and arrow with groundnuts, to be eaten with cassava. And then we'll have to cook our pepper soup. Pepper soup is for tomorrow Sunday. Sweet pepper soup for tomorrow Sunday. So stay with me while I get these things ready, and see you soon. We are eating corn and yeah. Like more, right? So yummy. Let me eat before I continue. 100% organic. Does not have to over fry like that of granite soup. Like our next process now is to wash. We've already fried the granules. Now our next process will be to wash our pumpkin meal and boil it. On it we are going to put this our arrow for it to cook. That is going to cook inside this plastic while on top of our pumpkin meal. So wash it. For our Sunday pepper soup tomorrow. food, eating soup and ripe plantains. From every indication, everything is well cooked. So what we are going to do is proceed by pound. I'm going to remove this one. This is well cooked already inside the plastic. We'll keep it somewhere here on our fire stone, and then we'll drain the palm kernel. Yeah. Drain it inside here. This water, let me dispose it. Okay. Good to go. I'm tired already. I don't want to put much water because the food is not much. It's really relatively small. So I want the palm juice to be just moderate, just enough for. I don't want it to be too watery. I don't want it to be too thick. So I will not rinse it. I'll just go with this quantity. I think it's enough for me. So far so good, we are okay, and I will now put our vegetable, the cock itself. Yeah, I'll go ahead to put it inside the juice again. So this is it. supposed to be pounded again, but no, from the market the lady really did well. She had to slice it so tiny, so boiling it in the plastic cooked it, and I'll still put it in the palm juice, let it cook. While it is cooking, they cook together. So this is how it looks like after being well boiled in the palm nuts. Okay, now we'll cover our pot. Have to wash it. Let's see. Have to wash it. Okay, now we'll allow it to boil so well, so well. Then we proceed by adding our granite, and then that I think with a bit of sugar and salt, and that will be all. Here is our granite already grind, as you can see. So let me just rush the process verbally. While it will be boiling, like when it starts boiling seriously, I'll go ahead and add the groundnut. Then I'll put a little bit of sugar and salt, just for it to have that sweet normal taste, and I'll allow the juice to dry up, and then it will just be remaining oil. Yeah, so I'm really rushing with the explanation because it's almost about to rain, and looks like it's going to disturb me. As you can see, I'm cooking outside. So let me just hurriedly clean this place, wash everything, and then if we don't see again, let's meet when I'm eating. So far, this is how our food looks like. The oil is too much. See what we have as oil. Grade 1 oil. Pure organic palm oil. So this food is from the central region of Cameroon. I love it so much. I had eaten it just like 3 times and I fell in love with it. I had to learn how to cook it. I know for somebody coming from the central region of Cameroon, maybe will tell me that I haven't done well, but trust me, I just know that I've given in my best. So